So here is a video of how I set up my Foldscope. Today I am looking at a prepared sample, and so it's gonna be on glass. The label has to go towards the lens, so that's why you see the back of the prepared slide here. Another thing that you will have to pay attention to is with your eye, you should be able to see that your sample is actually right on top of your lens. That way you know that you're looking at the right thing. And so before you close it, you have to check to see that it's in the right place. So I'll manually make sure that right there I can see with my eye that the sample is right where it needs to be. So then I'll close it. I'll use the blue part to look through. I like to use to check first with my eye. Notice that for me, because I wear glasses and however my eyes are focusing, I have to be very close to zero, if not on zero, on the Z focus axis to be able to see it. So then I'll use this to put it in I like using my eyes first to focus. And so I'll try to find a source of light, and the way that I know that I'm on the right axis for X is that when I slightly move the X and Y, I should see something on the background moving. Even if it's a little blurry, I should be able to see something on the background moving. And so if I try to attach my phone there, so I'm still using natural light and I'm moving it slightly and I see it moving, right? And so we'll have to play with the focus, and that's either, some of you have noticed, if you move the back of your Foldscope, that might help you with focusing. See, I'm moving right now, I'm pulling away from my phone, and so it was working well for my eye, and now I'm trying to find the right setting for my phone. So you might have to move away the Foldscope, the magnet that is on the back, or also use the Z. To use the Z might be a little bit more challenging since you need both hands. So I'll attach a source of light, and then I'm able to put it down. And now I have two hands to then move around. With two hands, it's much easier to move up and down. Oops, and again, here what happened was my phone fell and it collapsed the back that has the magnet, and so you saw it go out of focus. So now I put it up back on my case so that it's elevated and it's not crashing the Foldscope, and now I'm able to see it left to right, and I have two hands to go up and down, left to right. And with this setting, it's a good enough focus that I don't have to do anything else. The advantage of using the phone is that I can try to zoom in, and I'm able to see this a bit closer, and then I'm able to use my left and right x-axis to see the sample, and then also going up and down, and the movement has to be very slow. Something else you will notice is that there are those little blurry black things on top. That is simply probably my lens dirty, something that is at a different depth, and so it is on my my guess is that it's on my lens. So if I clean it, I'll probably get rid of that. And that is how I have it set up. So I put my phone there. This is my case, and I put my phone there, and I have this little source of light that allows me to see it with two hands. Before I got this, I used a little lamp under a reading light, and that helped as well. The nice thing about that is that it sticks, but an alternative would be to use a reading light or another source of light that allows you to put it down. But you saw the transition between using natural light and using that lamp, so you should be able to use it either way.